the complete guide to TikTok and how to make money from it. The basics of TikTok and why it's so popular. TikTok is a social media app that allows users to make short videos with music and share them. The app was created by the Chinese tech company ByteDance in 2016. It quickly became popular, especially among teens and tweens, because of its simplicity. TikTok is a social media app that allows users to make short videos with music and share them. The app was created by the Chinese tech company ByteDance in 2016. It quickly became popular, especially among teens and tweens, because of its simplicity. 4 ways to make money using TikTok. TikTok is a social media app that allows users to share short videos with others. It has been around for about 2 years now, and it has become a popular platform for people to share their creativity. In this article, we will discuss how you can make money using TikTok. We will discuss 5 ways that you can use the app to make money and how you can get your content seen by more people. TikTok is a Chinese social media app that has exploded in popularity over the past few months. It is a video sharing app that allows users to share short videos with their friends and followers. As of the time this article was written, TikTok has over 500 million monthly active users. The app is particularly popular among teens and tweens, but it's also widely used by adults. There are many ways to make money on TikTok, and we will discuss 5 of them in this article. 1. Get sponsored content. Companies are looking for influencers on TikTok who they can sponsor their products or services. You may be able to get sponsored content in exchange for promoting the product or service on your channel. 2. Create your own product. You could create your own product and sell it through the app's marketplace. 3. Monetize your account. You can use ads or sponsored posts to monetize your account on TikTok. There are 3 types of ads available on the app: video, banner, and text ads. You can also use sponsored posts, which are pre-made videos with a brand or product in it. 2. Earn cash through ad views. If people watch your videos on TikTok, you can earn money by receiving ad revenue from these views. You can choose to set your video to completely open for all and make it public so that anyone who watches your video will generate ad revenue for you, or you can choose to manually set your video so that it only accepts ad revenue from people who watch for at least 3 seconds. Please, kindly subscribe to our YouTube, comment, like and share this video. Hope to see you in the next video. With this massive growth, there's a lot of money to be made on TikTok. Discover a copy and paste app that I use to generate thousands of dollars in income on TikTok without stress through the link in the description box below. 3. Post about products. TikTok allows you to post about different brands, products, and services. You would just have to find a post created by the company or brand itself and reply with an image of their product. Promoting your business on TikTok. 6 ways you can monetize your content. There are many ways to monetize your content. The most common way is through ads. However, this might not be the best option for you. 1. Paid content. Paid content is a good option if you have a large following and you are able to get people to pay for your content. This is also good if you don't have a lot of time to spend on creating the content and want to spend more time on promotion. 2. Sponsorship. Sponsorship is another great way of monetizing your content because it allows companies to reach out to your audience without having any type of investment in advertising or marketing themselves. 3. Affiliate sales. Affiliate sales can be done through social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook and can also be done by blogging. If you have been struggling to monetize your content, here are some ideas that you can use to start earning money from your writing. 4. Write for brands. If you are a freelance writer, then this is the perfect opportunity for you to earn some extra income. You can work with brands and write about their products or services in exchange for a fee or commission. 5. Sell your own product. You can also sell your own product as an affiliate or use an e-commerce platform like Shopify to sell it online. If you have a niche expertise, then this is the time to share it with the world and make money from it. 6. Start your blog. If you are considering starting a blog, then this is the perfect time to do so. You can either start it on your own or with a company that provides turnkey solutions. Write product reviews. Similar to what you would be doing if you were writing for a brand, write product reviews and earn some money from the process. Please, kindly subscribe to our YouTube, comment, like and share this video. Hope to see you in the next video. With this massive growth, there's a lot of money to be made on TikTok. Discover a copy and paste app that I use to generate thousands of dollars in income on TikTok without stress through the link in the description box.